Hi dear students, in this video I am going to talk about types of redox reactions. This topic is from the chapter Redox Reactions. Types of redox reactions. Types of redox reactions. First type of redox reactions are combination redox reaction. Combination redox reaction. Students, for example, Mg is reacting with the oxygen, burning of magnesium, which gives 2MgO, which we can call it as a combination reaction. Combination reaction is a reaction in which two or more reactants are combining to give a single product. Let us check whether it is a redox reaction or not. Mg oxidation state is 0, elemental state. Oxygen oxidation state in the elemental state is 0. Mg oxidation state is +2. Oxygen oxidation state is -2. There is a change in oxidation states. So this is a redox reaction as well as a combination. So combination redox reaction. Similarly, if Mg and Cl2 are reacted, then it will give MgCl2, which is also a combination redox reaction. But when we take this equation CaO plus H2O, slaking of lime equation, it is a combination reaction. Combination reaction. Let us check whether it is a redox reaction or not. Calcium +2 oxidation state, oxygen -2, oxygen -2, hydrogen +1, right? Hydrogen +1, oxygen -2, calcium is +2. There is no change in oxidation number for any element. So this reaction is combination reaction, but it is not a redox reaction. That means all combination reactions are not redox reactions. This is one example. Being a combination reaction, it is not a redox reaction. Second type of redox reactions are decomposition redox reactions. Decomposition reaction is single reactant is giving two or more products. Let us take KClO3, and decomposition it will give KCl plus O2. So oxidation state of oxygen is -2, chlorine it is -1, potassium is +1, and here for the K it is +1. Let us find out the oxidation number for the chlorine again. -2 into 6 is -6. Then for the chlorine it is +5, right? So there is a change in oxidation numbers for the chlorine and oxygen. So it is a decomposition reaction and redox reaction. So we can call it as a decomposition redox reaction. But thermal decomposition of calcium carbonate, it is not a redox reaction, which gives CO2, right? So +4 -2 -2 +2 +2 +4 -2. There is no change in oxidation number for any of the element. So this is not a redox reaction, but it is a decomposition reaction. It is not a redox reaction. So students, let us discuss about the third type of redox reaction now. Students, third type of redox reaction is displacement redox reactions, displacement redox reactions, not like combination and decomposition reactions. All displacement reactions are redox reactions. Metal displacing other metal, metal displacing other metal. For example, zinc solid reaction with the Cu2 plus, which gives Zn2 plus, this is in the aqueous state, Zn2 plus Cu solid. High reactive metal can displace a low reactive metal from its salt solution, right? Similarly, CO can displace nickel from its salt solution. Ni solid plus CO2 plus aqueous we are getting. A metal can displace, metal displacing non-metal. Sodium reaction with the water which evolves H2 gas, NaOH plus H2 it is giving. Zinc reaction with the dilute sulfuric acid H2SO4 which gives ZnSO4 aqueous plus H2 gas, right? Similarly, if Na is reacting with the, or calcium is reacting with HCl aqueous solution which gives CaCl2 plus H2 gas. If it is a copper, it won't give H2 gas, low reactive. High reactive metals generally reaction with the water or with the dilute mineral acids will give hydrogen gas. But with the nitric acid, students, metals reaction with nitric acid HNO3 does not give hydrogen gas. Generally, students, when metals are reacting with the water or with the dilute mineral acids, what they will do is, being a reducing agents, these are the reducing agents, they will reduce H plus into H2. So that means, for example, students, if we take this Na reaction with the HCl, Na plus H plus, it is giving Na plus plus of H2, right? So metal which is high reactive, generally which is a strong, it is a reducing agent which can reduce H plus into H2, then it is able to give H2 gas, right? So here, what is the nature of H plus? Itself it is undergoing reduction, so it is oxidizing agent. Metal is reducing agent. But in the case of metals reaction with the HNO3, here NO3 minus is a strong oxidizing agent. So both H plus is present, NO3 minus is present. Being NO3 minus is a strong oxidizing agent, instead of H plus, NO3 minus will undergo reduction to give oxides of nitrogen. Instead of giving hydrogen, they will give oxides of nitrogen, because in preference to this H plus, NO3 minus will be reduced, right? So, but two metals which can give hydrogen gas with the dilute, very dilute HNO3 is manganese and magnesium, right? Students, let us discuss about the non-metal displacing non-metal. Non-metal displacing non-metal. Non-metal is displacing non-metal. Students, for example, X minus aqueous halogen halide ion is present, it can be oxidized into X2. 2X minus is present, it is converting into X2 by F2, and F2 is converted into 2F minus. Here X is chlorine, bromine, iodine. So a non-metal is displaced by other non-metal which is more reactive. Fluorine is more reactive than the chlorine, bromine, iodine. And 2X minus aqueous plus Cl2 gives rise to X2 plus 2Cl minus. Here X may be bromine or iodine. When it is 2X minus, only bromine it is, iodine it is possible. Iodide 2I minus aqueous plus Br2 gives rise to I2 plus 2Br minus. But reverse of this reaction is not possible. That means I2 cannot oxidize Br minus into Br2, but I minus can be oxidized into I2 by the Br2, because this is more reactive. Br2 is more reactive than the I2. And fourth type of redox reactions is disproportionation. Disproportionation redox reactions. Redox reactions. Redox reactions. Redox reactions in which same element is undergoing both oxidation and reduction. Same element undergoing both oxidation and reduction is known as disproportionation redox reaction. Right, students, let us take one example, one or two examples for this. H2O2 thermal decomposition will give H2O plus half O2, -1 oxidation state, oxygen oxidation state. Here -2, here 0, -1 to 0. Increase in oxidation number is called as oxidation. -1 to -2, decrease in oxidation number is called as a reduction, right? So both same element is undergoing both oxidation and reduction, which is called as disproportionation redox reaction. Students, let us take some more examples for the disproportionation redox reactions. Dear students, let us take one more example for the disproportionation reaction. Cl2 plus NaOH gives rise to NaCl plus NaOCl plus H2O. Chlorine oxidation number in Cl2 reactant side is 0, elemental state. Chlorine oxidation number in NaCl is -1. NaOCl, Na as +1, oxygen as -2 and chlorine as +1. 0 to -1, decrease in oxidation number is called as a reduction. 0 to +1, increase in oxidation number is called as oxidation. Same element is undergoing both oxidation and reduction. We can call it as a disproportionation redox reaction. Similarly, when Cl2 is reacted with the hot and concentrated NaOH, which gives, both of these reactions are very important, NaCl plus NaClO3 plus H2O. Chlorine in the elemental state, oxidation state is 0, NaCl minus 1, NaClO3 plus 5. 0 to minus 1 is reduction. Decrease in oxidation number is called as reduction. Increase in oxidation number is called as oxidation. So both, that is single element is undergoing both oxidation and reduction, right? Similarly students, when chlorine is reacting with the calcium hydroxide, then it will give us a bleaching powder, CaOCl2 it is giving. In the CaOCl2, chlorine has two different oxidation state. It has OCl minus ion and Cl minus ion. So it has minus 1 oxidation state as well as plus 1 oxidation state, right? 0 to plus 1, 0 to plus 1 is oxidation, 0 to plus 1 is oxidation, 0 to minus 1 is reduction, right? 0 to plus 1 is oxidation. Same element is undergoing both oxidation and reduction, which is called as disproportionation reaction. Okay, mainly 4 types it is important. 5th type is, it is not given in NCERT syllabus generally, right? Conproportionation, redox reaction, it is reverse to that of disproportionation. That means the same element with the 2 different oxidation states, it will give us the element with the single oxidation state, right? 0 plus 2 is converting into the plus 1 oxidation state, which is a reverse to that of the disproportionation. Students, these are the different types of redox reactions. Mainly first 4 types are important. In that also disproportionation reaction is most important. Thanks for watching.